This is problem number 10 for GATE 2014. For the signal ft is equals to 3 sine 8 pi t plus 6 sine 12 pi t plus sine 14 pi t, the minimum sampling frequency in hertz satisfies the Nyquist criterion is. Now, if this is the signal and this is a sinusoidal signal containing different frequency or frequency component. Okay, so sine, say sine a sine 2 pi ft. If I compare this with the different frequency component, we have f1 is equals to 4 for this, f2 is equals to 6 and f3 is equals to 7 hertz, right? Now, so the maximum frequency component is 7 hertz, right? And that is equals to fm. So the Nyquist minimum sampling frequency f is must be 2 into fm. This is the formula. So 2 into 7, that is equals to 14. So 14 hertz is the minimum sampling frequency to satisfy the Nyquist criterion. So this value will be 14.